Hi everyone, I'm Anna. I'm very happy to be here with you.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. My name is Tom.
Hi Tom, how are you today?
I'm okay. A little tired. I have class today.
Oh, I see. Are you in school now?
Yes, I'm a student. I'm 19 years old.
That's great. Are you listening at school?
Yes, it's evening now. I have a short break.
Perfect. This is a good time to listen. You can relax a little.
Yes, I like this time. I feel calm.
That's nice. So, Tom, how is your day?
My day is busy. I wake up early. I go to school. I study. I feel tired now.
I understand. Many students feel the same. In the evening, we slow down.
Yes, in the evening, I feel more free.
That's great. So today, we talk about something simple. We talk about my evening routine.
Oh, evening routine. I like this topic.
Good. It is very useful. Everyone has an evening routine.
Yes, every day.
Before we start, we want to say something small.
Yes, if you like this podcast, please follow Easy English channels.
Please like this episode and share it with your friends.
Share it with friends who learn English.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's begin.
Yes, let's start.
Tom, what time is it now?
It's about 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Is this the start of your evening?
Yes, for me, evening starts at 6.
I see. What do you do at 6 p.m.?
First, I leave school. I walk home.
You walk home?
Yes, my home is near. It takes 10 minutes.
That's good. Do you like walking?
Yes, I listen to music. I feel relaxed.
Oh, that sounds nice. I like walking too.
Really?
Yes, in the evening, walking is calm. The air is cool.
Yes, I like the air.
When you get home, what do you do next?
I open the door. I take off my shoes.
Okay,
Then, I wash my hands. I wash my face.
very good habits.
Yes, I feel fresh.
Do you feel tired then?
A little. My body is tired. My mind is tired.
I understand. School is hard.
Yes, but I like learning.
That's good to hear. After you wash your face, what do you do?
I sit down. I drink water.
Just water?
Yes, cold water.
Nice. I drink water too in the evening.
Really?
Yes, it helps me relax.
I feel the same.
After water, do you eat?
Yes, I eat dinner.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 6:30.
That's early.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
What do you eat?
I eat rice. I eat vegetables. Sometimes chicken.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, my mom cooks.
Oh, that's nice. Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we sit together.
Do you talk during dinner?
Yes, we talk about the day.
That's lovely. I like family dinners.
Me too. I feel warm.
After dinner, what do you do?
I help clean the table.
Good.
Then I go to my room.
Okay. What do you do in your room?
I lie on my bed. I look at my phone.
Ah, the phone.
Yes, just a little.
Just a little?
Okay, maybe 30 minutes.
That's okay.
I watch short videos. I check messages.
Do you feel relaxed?
Yes, but sometimes my eyes are tired.
I see. That happens to me too.
Really?
Yes, so I stop after some time.
I try to stop too.
That's good. After your phone time, what do you do?
I study.
You study in the evening?
Yes, I do homework.
For how long?
About 1 hour.
That's good. Do you feel sleepy?
Sometimes, but I try to focus.
What do you study?
Math, English, sometimes history.
Do you like English?
Yes, but it is hard.
That's okay. You are doing great.
Thank you, Anna.
When you study, do you listen to music?
No, I need quiet.
I understand. I like quiet too.
Silence helps me think.
Yes. After studying, how do you feel?
I feel tired, but also happy.
Happy?
Yes, I finish my work.
That's a good feeling.
Yes, I feel free.
So after study time, what's next?
I take a shower.
In the evening?
Yes, around 8:30.
I see. Do you like showers?
Yes, warm water, very relaxing.
I agree. It helps the body rest.
Yes, I feel clean.
After the shower, what do you do?
I put on pajamas.
Nice. Do you use your phone in bed?
Sometimes just 5 minutes.
Okay.
I set my alarm.
That's important.
Yes, I need to wake up early.
Do you think about your day?
Yes, I think about school, about friends.
Do you feel stressed?
A little, but mostly okay.
That's good. I like to think about good things.
Me too.
Then you sleep.
Yes, I close my eyes, I sleep.
That sounds like a calm evening.
Yes, simple but nice.
I really like your routine.
Thank you. Your routine is similar?
Yes, but a little different.
Oh, tell me.
In the evening, I finish work around 6.
Okay.
I go home. I change clothes.
Comfortable clothes?
Yes, very comfortable.
That's good.
Then I cook dinner.
You cook?
Yes, simple food.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, it helps me relax.
I see.
I eat around 7.
Alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with family.
Okay.
After dinner, I clean a little.
Same as me.
Then I take a short walk.
At night?
Yes, just 10 minutes.
That's nice.
The night air is quiet.
I want to try that.
You should. It's very calm.
After the walk, what do you do?
I drink tea.
Tea?
Yes, warm tea.
I like tea too.
It helps me slow down.
I understand.
Then I read. I listen to soft music.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, I enjoy quiet evenings.
My evenings are more busy.
That's okay. You are young. You study a lot.
Yes, but I like calm too.
You can add small calm moments,
Like what?
like deep breathing, like short walks.
I want to try.
That's great.
Anna, do you think evening routines are important?
Yes, very important.
Why?
They help us relax. They help us sleep well.
I agree.
A good evening helps a good morning.
Yes, I feel that.
Dear listeners, you can think about your evening routine.
Yes, what do you do in the evening?
Do you study? Do you relax?
Do you use your phone a lot?
That's a good question.
It's okay. We all do.
Yes, just try to balance.
Balance is good.
So today, we talked about evening routines.
We talked about dinner.
We talked about study time.
We talked about relaxing.
We talked about sleep.
Simple things, daily life.
Now, we have a question for you.
Yes.
What do you do before you sleep?
Tell us in the comments.
We want to know.
Thank you for listening.
If you like this podcast, please follow Easy English channels
Please like this episode.
and share it with your friends.
Friends who learn English.
Thank you so much. See you next time. Good evening. Good night.
Good night.